Guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel again. Today is Monday and Orlin is no school today, 3 days because of the Deepawali. So everyone is busy today. And look at Dada behind my back. He's putting rice in the sun to make it dry. Dada, say hi. Then tomorrow it will dry, then we'll bring there in a rice mill. Look at this, guys. See, you need to remove this one, but this one it will go, no? There's some. Tomo, yeah. What are you doing? You want to do? Hey, Tomo, hey. Gusto din niyang mag ano doon? You want to do also? Same like that? Ah, Tomo? Hi, Tomo. Hi, Tomo. Shake hand ka. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Tomo. Good boy, right? Okay. Shake hands. We are friends. Ang init na, guys. Now it's 2 days. Saturday we put in the sun. Yesterday we did not put, and today maybe 2 days it will dry. This one. Konti na rin yung aming bigas, guys. Kaya we need it. It's only little balance there, and nakatugma sa ano sa araw. Then malapit na maubos yung aming bigas. So kaya ito. How many sacks? 4? 5? 7. 7 sacks this one, guys. Pero hindi naman, ano, it's not full. Ayan. In jasmine, you can plant also? What? For this one? Same? Rice? Jasmine? Why?
Jasmine rice?
Yeah. Not jasmine, what you call this? Basmati rice. Next time we will make jasmine rice. Only one, this one. You cannot? Why? It's a brown rice, this one, guys. It's not a...
That's the problem. They use making, no?
Different?
Different means? This kind of rice, when you grow, they grow together, it will... time also together.
Okay. Not jasmine, this basmati? Okay. Ganda sana pag tawag dito. Maganda ito pag basmati. Kasi ito boiled rice. Kaya yan. Pinarap nila doon. Ang sasakyan. Si Olin nanood ng TV. Ang aking guys, patola, ayan patola. Malaki-laki na. Malapit na to. Mga ilang days na lang. Kailangan bago mo gumala dito yung monkey. Ma-harvest na yan. At ito naman, guys, pareho din patola. Ayan patola. Ayan. Malago ang aking patola. Marami-rami na. Thank you, Lord, sa biyaya. Ayan o. Pakita nyo ba? Ayan. Kanyang bunga. Marami yan. Ang daming ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Ayan. Maraming siyang bunga. Tapos dito, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba? You can see my plant. And this is, guys, long beans. Ayan. Tatlo yan. Ayan o. Just I keep like this. So that it will not hot for this plant. Hindi siya malanta. This one is ladyfinger, okra. Ayan. Then another one is there. And then another one is here. So 4 ladyfinger and 3 plant of string beans or long beans. So ayan, my plant vegetable. And about this one, this is a squash. Ayan. So mayroon ako dito isang squash. Oh, lumaki na siya. I'm so happy it's big now. So ayan, I just keep more like this. It's because some peacock and then monkey will come, and then if they will see this one finish, they will eat it. So again, there is one more squash is there. Nothing is there, so only this one. So I'm happy to see my plant giving some vegetable fresh from the garden. Hi guys, hapon na, mga 4:30 na guys. At inalay dada. Ayaw niya akong palapitin doon. Kasi nga ano, Makati. Is itchy that one, right? Bebe?
Yeah.
Is itchy, right?
Yeah.
Kaya ayaw niya akong palapitin doon. That's why dada doesn't want me to go there. Because itchy.
Yeah, if you touch it, you'll get more itchy like this.
Yes.
That time it's to bite me. That's why.
It's dry already?
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll bring that in the, no? Oh. The, what you call that one? Don't go there, Glenn.
Very dusty.
In the mill.
That
So that
looks
it
like a
will-
fire. Guys, I want to show you how to drive my bicycle.
Oh! You got accident later.
Again. Now I'm going to show you how to drive my bicycle.
Make it proper your hair. What's so...
Oh no.
You look like...
I look like a baby. Now I'm going to go down. Okay, faster. That's far. That's far.
Slowly. Go back.
That's fun.
Mm.
This is my bicycle and I have a bell.
Ice cream. Ice cream bill.
Ice cream meal. Here, like, you can put something.
Look at your hair. It's so messy.
Here, you can put your cats, small cats, like a big cat's, big dog and a small dog you can put there, or you can put some, you can put food or what you want. If cat want food, you can put here and then let her eat, and we will roam around like that. And our dog Tommy is there. See there. Biting.
Go now. Go.
And we have a new cat which is, I will name her Mickey.
It's not a girl. It's a boy.
I will name his name Brownie. His name is Brownie.
That
Now
is dog. For brownie.
That's a cat, no?
Yeah, you said that is for dog brownie.
Oh,
That is
a dog.
yes.
I'm going to Mickey. Mickey's a girl. So I'm going to name her Mickey. This is my favorite.
It's a boy. It's a boy, not a girl. Yeah, go. Go
I
na.
want Mickey. I want Mickey.
Okay, go. Yung aking ano, nilabhana is ano na yan, dry na yan.
I'm sliding down.
Yay!
Finally, I know how to drive my bicycle. But
Yes.
long time when Goma buy, I don't
Say thank you, Goma.
Huh?
Thank you, Goma.
Thank you, Goma.
That is your birthday gift.
Yeah, that is
Da, da,
my
da.
gift. I have my old scooter. It is there, laying down. See, my old scooter is there, but
Yes.
it's broken. Tommy, don't shake, huh? Pop! You will shake otherwise. You shake. Oh! No, you tell it otherwise. It's cold, you will be.
Goma, yes.
Tommy, very good boy. He shake one time, but
You on?
yeah. There you're going, Tommy. Open your eyes. You don't have eyes? Better you try him. Here, only. Open his eyes. I told you, he will shake. You want to take a bath?
Wow. Goma, yeah. Look. Yeah.
Manga. Asyik kun. Stand there only. How the cat is standing? Like that only you stand. If you sit, we cannot put your back. That's all. Please listen to the rules. Don't shake. How many days now did not
Yes, Rao.
See, October did not take a bath. This full October did not take a
Rao.
bath. Now!
Okay.
Come. This time you come.
Come on.
I'll beat you now. Mama, looks like you're the kid sitting on the dog. Should I beat you or should you listen to...
Come on. Yeah.
Hey!
Rao. Yeah.
Come on!
Rao. Yeah.
The video is close. No, only no. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Still not. Don't let him shake, otherwise I'll throw him outside.
Shit.
Don't put your hair outside, please, Tommy. Like that is shaking, I will scratch you now. Kamala, stand there only. My shoes will roll in your head. Now you shake, Mama, move this and you shake.
Okay.
All dirty here, see? Mama, see the front is like that. It's dirty. Tommy!
Rao.
I will hit you with a rock or you will stand. Stand proper. Tommy! What you are doing?
I'm wet already.
Then go take a bath now.
Yes.
Very good boy. Tommy always don't want to take a bath also.
No, Tommy, bagong ligo na siya. Our Tommy.
Today we are ending our video.
Yes, guys. Today, it's our, what you call this? Deepawali. First day, Monday. Happy Deepawali to all, guys, here in Hindu people. Then, Tommy is, see? Just now finished shower. So, I want to end this video. He's enjoying. I want to end this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.